In this video, we're going to dance a little rumba gitana with the music of Camarón de la Isla, Volando Voy, classic piece. This video is appropriate for absolute beginners, or if you have some experience and you just feel like boogieing it down a little bit. Shoes are definitely optional. So let's begin. We are going to go over 3 different marcaje steps, 3 different marking steps, dancing steps that we'll use in combination, and we'll just put them on repeat, and then we'll dance to the music. So let me break them down first. We're gonna have a front marking, so forward, together, forward, together. Now when you're going forward, you wanna make sure that that back foot stays on the ground. So you're not gonna lift it up. It's not salsa. So flamenco, you keep that back foot planted, and you're going to be slightly turned out, and so you're not straight, you're not turned in, but just slightly turned out, and you want to keep that heel slightly up, just a little bit, so it's not flat. Relax, and you want to keep those knees relaxed, hips relaxed. You're going to move those hips, and it's going to be pretty fast, so you want to be able to have your knees pliable. So again, that front marcaje, so forward, together, forward, together, forward, together, forward, together. Now, the side marking, side marcaje, we're just gonna do the same thing, but step to the side. So out, together, or side, together, side, together. So you wanna make sure, again, that your knees are pliable, they're bent, and that you allow your hips to move along with the music. And with it, you know, of course it's going to be fast, so you're going to have to take small steps. So side, together, side, together. The third marcaje is just going around in a circle. So on the left leg, we're just going to go around, scoot, 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 and hold. And then go on the right, towards the right, scoot, 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 and hold. And so you want to, again, you want to keep that standing leg relaxed but firm, and you want to move, let your hips flow, and bop, 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 bop with the hips, bop, bop, bop. Another side, bop, 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 bop. Now the variations that we can do with the arms, we can bring our arms forward, and then we can bring our arms up. But we will experiment with that with the music. Let's begin. Ready? 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. So hands on the hips and side. Side, and now around, bop, bop, and switch, a front, and to the side, abs in, and around, up, switch. Okay, now we're going to add the arm, front, up. And side, so cross the arm. And around, arms up. Arms down. Okay, let's repeat that. Up. And down. Back to the front. And to the side. Stay here. And around. Up. And down. Repeat. front, arm up. And side, reach more, arm across, and up. Down, and up. Lean into it, and down. Front. And side. Ole. That was fun. Thanks for dancing with me. If you want to continue your studies with me, I invite you to join me inside my online flamenco studio, where I have courses for brand new beginners all the way through advanced levels in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory. You can find a link below with your 10-day trial. I'll see you next time.